Radio presenter Felix Hlophe confirms he split from Ayanda Bengu amid allegations of cheating and family tensions. Bengu has asked Hlophe and his wife Tracy Smith to leave her alone as tension continue to escalate. Kaizini zishubile. Sanbonani. Welcome to Celebrity Live. I'm Zanzi. If it's your first time, please hit that subscription button and the notification bell. Guys, now this is another new show. Epic, dramatic, hot, yonkinto. So this is basically season 1. Right, so uFelix Hlophe, right, ufike laphana kwakhe makafika wathola ukuthi imoto zikhona bekahamba nomngani wakhe. Guys, this is Ayanda Bengu, right? Niyambona ukuthi muhle uGyali. So this is the girl that left uFelix Hlophe. Right, now let me just give you a little bit of who Felix Hlophe is for those of you who don't know. Now, Felix Hlophe is a comedian, radio host, businessman, and now a reality TV star. So you can say that Felix Hlophe is basically the jack of all trades. Now, Felix Hlophe has 2 wives, unabafazi about 2. The first wife, Tracy, and then the second wife, Ayanda. Right. So manje uhambile laphana endlini uhambe nomngani wakhe mabafika. Okay fine, futhi umngani wakhe uyamtshela ukuthi hayibo phela mina mangivula laphana egarage ngithole imoto ezu2, so azange ngicabanga ukuthi uAyanda uhambile. Right, mara mabafika endlini bathola ukuthi ku-empty, yonke into uyithathile. So manje uFelix ubuza ubani SK, I think umngani wakhe uyambuza ukuthi hayibo kanti wena ubonanga ama-truck mawazofika lana azothatha impahla nami. Uthi uSK hayi angibonanga nani. Right, so manje uFelix inhliziyo yakhe ibhlungu guys ukuthi uAyanda uhambile. Hayi wafika ufirst wife uTracy makafika laphana uyabuza ukuthi hayibo kusho ukuthi nihlukene vele. Wavele wadineka uFelix because of this whole thing is still new. Uke wabona wavele wadineka uFelix laphana. So abantu abaningi bona bayibona njengathi uTracy ngathi ujabulile vele ukuthi lo uAyanda uhambile. Guysini ngiyakutshela uyabona kule show lena umjolo one way, umjolo because of imagine if uFelix anabafazi abawu2 manje futhi nje kuthiwa sekuna cheating outside nani inkinga. So omunye uthi kulomfazi laphana ku TikTok, kulomfazi wokuqala uTracy ukuthi hayibo wena ngathi uhlalele imali nje, kusho ukuthi lo omunye uhambile uAyanda yena angeke ayimele yonke lento leyenziwa uFelix. So wena uhlaleleni, kusho ukuthi imali imnandi. Nina ngiyanisaba, yazi ngiyanisaba guysini.
Manje pho mina mangihlalele imali, like ingenaphi? Like how does this affect your life? Why do you even care? Ngithi indaba yami leyo awungendawo lapho, so please put.
Esaphinda namanje ngithi nina ngiyanisaba, hayibo nayotshela kusho ukuthi why umacele yena ningamtshela ukuthi uhlalele imali, nizotshela uTracy ukuthi yena uhlalele imali. Guys, hayibo phela abantu laba banengane akukho lula sometimes for ukuthi nje abomama bavele bahambe emshadweni because sometimes sebacabangela ingane zabo. Guys, kusazoshuba, I'm still gonna update you. So this is the new season. Make sure you stay tuned. Ningakhohlwa ukungilandela, ngiyanithanda.